Natural geography channel பார்க்கறோம்.
Snakes in the sea.
our brothers and sisters.
நம்மள பார்க்கற channel நீங்க பார்க்க போறோம்.
அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கவே இல்லை.
Krishna நீங்க adult ஆயிட்டாங்க.
Oh yes, yes, I understand.
Prayer. Sure.
Sir, மாத்திட்டேன் sir.
Thank you.
இன்னும் மாட்டல.
Right, so the online team should also repeat whatever we are saying. I hope you are repeating. It doesn't mean that you have to unmute and say. That's going to create a lot of chaos, but just repeat whatever I'm saying. 3, 2, 1, go. I pray and assure
I pray and assure
my parents,
my parents,
my teachers,
teachers,
myself,
myself,
and to God,
that
whatever I learn in these sessions will be put into practice immediately. I understand and I realize that this training is not only for my school and college life, but also for my entire life. I really consider coming to the class as the supreme most importance, and also therapies and techniques will keep me upright to face all the adversities and challenges that could crop up. Might is my right. I always fight my fright. It's not over until I win. I can because I believe I can. It's not over until I win. And it's never a sad day. It's always a character building day. I promise.
Jai.
Okay. ஆமா. நீ அது மேல உட்கார்ந்து அதையே உடைச்சின்னா நான் பார்த்து சிரிக்காம எந்த டீம்
Archaeologist, journalist, on the side, out.
Okay, so we have the couple of members joining online today, like Pranav, Kavin Karthik, and Vishnupriya have only joined over online. And yesterday we finished the activity called as man-to-man game plan, and we had a task sheet this morning stating that we will be having a discussion. So I'll start with Kalpita. So Kalpita, which team do you think will win and why? Why?
They had good coordination and they had a continuous progress and they were winning their sports. So I think they have chance to win.
Thank you.
All right. Takshita, what's your opinion?
I think honestly Api should be safe. That's my opinion, sir. Because initially it started off well. It was team Kalpita that was really leading initially. But then in the later stages of the game we bounced back and we showed our quality in games.
Social goals?
Like a tiger.
He was the opponent. Pouch.
I only realized that Krishnan fell
Like ball,
said no.
basketball.
Yes. So in my opinion I think we reached good.
Balaji, what do you think? You were a part of one team and once you resumed your direct class, you were part of another team. What do you think?
So the team impression, so basically they have some good score in the not in the sunset, but in the consecutive rounds they have scored high score than us. So basically team impression.
Okay, right. So Pranav, being a part of Team Brinda, what did you understand and how do you think this exercise has helped you?
Sir, could you repeat, sir?
being a part of this particular team, that is Team Brinda,
Yes, sir.
what is your opinion and what did you learn out of this exercise? And as a third person, who do you think will be declared as holding the first place in this activity?
Sir, I guess not being too confident, sir, but I guess our team would win, sir, because we had a lot of money and I think we contributed it well.
I see. Okay. So do you think contributing the money to the societal portfolios will put the team on a competitive edge? Was that the rule of the game in the beginning when I was giving instructions?
Sir, no, sir. I think like we were supposed to contribute it equally to both the portfolios, sir. So according to that, you will decide the winners.
Okay, alright. That's a good one. What do you think? Which team? You are actually belonging to Team Kalpita.
Sir, no, sir.
Sir, எங்க team shift ஆயிடுச்சு sir.
Transfer, sir. Transfer. அக்கா வேற transfer.
Which team? You are in your team, right?
No, no. Sir,
The Kachi Marika.
yes, sir.
only different papers.
Right. Ketan, what do you think? The same question that I asked to Pranav.
So I think our team will be. I think our team will be a winner, sir, because comparing to them, they are 8 members, sir. We are just 5, 4. In some rounds we were 4, and some rounds we were 5, sir. So with that 5, we just gave our best. So with that 8, they also gave our best, sir. So in my point of view, we can be a winner.
Okay, don't say 5. The 5 can replace to 10. 10 can replace to 20. 20 can replace to 30.
அதனால கட்சி மாறிட்டார்.
Oh my God.
Look up, 7 numbers. Not 8. Still on it, sir.
Kiran,
Yes, sir.
what do you think? You have been really active in a couple of rounds. So, in your opinion, who do you think should be the winner of this particular activity?
Sir, first of all, yes, sir, I really liked this activity. It was really fun, and in my opinion, I think we should win, sir, because even being online kind of brings down, like, it's not really a benefit for us because, yes, we can connect from different places, but it's not really a benefit for us because most people have network issues and all that sorts of issues, sir. But through that, I still participated in almost every single person in my team gave participation, sir. So I think that's why we should win, sir.
Okay, right. Mitra, what's your answer?
Sir, for answering this question, I would not be belonging to Team Brinda, sir. Maybe as a third person point of view, I would like to say that Team Brinda should win, sir. Because other two teams also did very well, sir. But the other two teams, some people were absent, sir. But in Team Brinda, everyone was present either in online format or direct format, sir. They were present, sir. And they were quick. And they also did tasks very good, sir. They were smart. Region to get bonus from you also, sir. And the presentation also, they all gave their best, sir. And everything, whatever they did, they gave their best and they were smart to handle that.
But there is one absentee today. Your team member, Vedosh.
Sir, sir,
Sir,
sir.
I wanted to ask
Sir, he sent a message.
Sir, you told yesterday itself the activity got over, sir. So today it is going to be.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
It is part of the learning discussion.
Sir,
It is what
he
is
went to
going.
serve gods, so we should get bonus.
What? I'm also trying to
It's
what
not for
what
Pooja to make this Team Brinda win, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else would like to give?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, about the presentation, I have doubts. So, can I ask you about that later?
Later. Let us not discuss
Yes.
about that. The team discussion is going
Sure,
on.
sir.
We will speak about that later. Okay, so anybody else would like to give a learning insight about what you have learned from this activity, and before I give the final conclusion?
Sir, so So, sir, what I would like to say is, their team, sir, they had, even though there were a lot of people, sir, they were very synergized and they were very together in each and every thing they did, sir, whether the team discussions or presentations or the activities themselves. And I think the other two teams, in some places we branched off a little bit into each of us, sir. And they also, in the second round, they were smart enough to put 100% of the money into the bank, sir, without putting anything to the society, sir. Whereas we did the exact opposite of that and gave all to the veterans of the army, yes, sir.
Veterans of the army.
Yes, sir, to that portfolio, sir. So I guess that's what put them in the deal, sir.
That's one of the reasons why I gave 5,000 towards
Yes, sir.
sports. Okay, right. So,
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you.
Anybody from the online comment would like to give some learning insights or something?
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, today I'm which team, sir?
Yeah, I know. I have seen your profile. Would you like to speak something about the activity? Kavita Kartan. Check.
Sir, no, sir.
Right, so the point number one as far as this activity is concerned is man-to-man game plan. Why I have coined that name is at one point of time I always wanted the people to have separate plans executed towards the opponent, towards the counterpart that is playing opponent. So that's point number one. And point number two, I wanted to have some physical activity for which you all people responded. But the main nucleus of the game, press it down. So the main nucleus of the game was the contribution and how you are handling your money as far as giving the credit currency is concerned. So there are a couple of teams which had really done on a smart basis, and I did not want that to be on an artificial basis, like having an intuitive thinking that if I contribute more, I might be getting too much of credit currency. So I wanted to scrap that one, and I wanted to happen that from the heart. So when that was announced, a couple of teams behaved in a different way. One team had the money in the bank, another team did not have any sort of hesitation to giving away the money, besides knowing that they are not going to get extra points for doing such thing. So that was really interesting. So it's like life. If you could gather in all of my games and activities, I will bring the interface of life. The previous activity, multi-facets of life, was also having the same. So similarly, here I wanted to see how you people are getting into the frugality. Frugality, what do you mean by frugality? Frugality. Frugality is sikkanam. Being frugal, so I wanted to see how much frugal you people were. On that note, there are highlights from 3 teams. Team Ritvika was really good in terms of 2 things. One, they never had a feeling that they did not have an extra advantage. They never had a feeling that they were less advantageous. And the team were less advantage feeling. So the crew was completely messy. Like one day Reshwar was there, another day Nitin Murugan was there, another day Balaji was there, another day Balaji was not there. Kiran was being part of the class. This was the biggest reason for their downfall. But having said that, downfall is a very harsh word. Ritvika, Prabhu Aditya, Ritan, Nitish, they were very, very consistent in their experience, and also they expressed as much as they could. Ritvika really handled well. I was very happy with the way Ritvika behaved as a captain. Each and every round she was initiating the discussion.
Great job, Ritika.
Great job, Ritika.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you, sir.
Well
Great job,
done, Ritika.
Ritika. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So, on that note, I would like to proudly say that Team Ritvika has taken the place number 3. So, good job, Team Ritvika.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Prince. Well job, Team Ritika. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Prince.
The highlight of Team Brinda happens to be Brinda's performance. She was trying to give her best, although she was not so much present in all the other days of this particular activity. She turned around when the ball activity was given, and she has been a very good improved personality in terms of making a presentation. So Brinda's contribution and Dakshin Siddharth, Vedavarshan and Mitra's prudent contribution towards the team. So that's what is very important, clarity. And one more thing that I got so much satisfied, rather, for me, satisfaction is more important even than happiness. So the big thing that I was satisfied with is the scale up of Hariharan's performance, barring all the jokes and fun and comic kind of thing that we are having, hilarious things that we are having. The boy is improving a little bit. Whenever we put into the appropriate thing, he's improving. Previously, he used to be remaining very, very timid and submissive, but right now he's improving. He's speaking a lot. He's trying to break the shell and he's coming out. So I appreciate the team members for making that possible. Exclusively, it was Dakshin Siddharth and Vedavarshan who had been elevating Hariharan. So that's very important.
Well done, Hariharan.
I think it's not here. Right. He's going to be absent for about 10 days. So that's the highlight, and not because of being my daughter. I always admire Mitra's sincerity and commitment towards the team. Besides the class getting over, even after the class, amidst her homework, she used to take notes of what has been happening. That interest I really appreciate. Good job. So, Vishnupriya
Great
was.
job, Mitra.
Thank you, Ka.
Vishnupriya was.
Great job, Mitra.
Thank you, Ripika.
Great job, Mitra.
Thank you, Karan.
Vishnupriya was really helping a lot. Is Vishnupriya here today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So on that note, these were all some of the highlights. Now, as far as highlight of Team Kalpita, this was one among the best performance of the particular team. Although they were very less in terms of manpower,
Great job, Team Kalpita.
Thank you. Sir, MD mantaru.
Well done, Team. Great job, Team Kalpita.
Transfer fee 10,000 questions.
Great job, Team Kalpita.
we actually got a waste material in the name of Vishwant in this particular activity. Okay, jokes apart, Vishwant was really very active in the beginning, but he was absent with the injury. So Kalpita's leadership and Navlun's participation and Kirtana's support has been really good. Kavin Karthik was also really good.
Good job, Kalpita. Great job.
Great job,
Kalpita.
Super great job, Kalpita, Kirtana, Nagulan, Kavin
Thank you,
Karthik.
Shreya.
Kavin Karthik and Kirtana.
Appreciating all of us.
Great job, Arjuna. Great job, Kirtana.
Well done, friends. Well done.
Thank you.
Here. Sign.
Having said all the highlights, one team remains in the place 1 and another team remains in the place 2, as we know, obviously. Team Brinda holds place number 1.
Very well done, Team Kalpita.
So,
Great job,
the,
Team
foot,
Kalpita and Team Brinda.
the footnote I would like to conclude with, I wanted to make this as a last remark because last one will always remain as the last one. So Pranav has been adopting, it's been only 8 days since he has joined both MS Sports Zest and evening sessions, and he has been very much accommodating along with the team members, and he has been showing a lot of participation. Previously in the multi-faces of life also, he gave a beautiful performance in the skit, and here also the presentation. I really admire your communication skills. I won't say, some people will attribute and they will have a stereotypical thinking that, yeah, the boy is from Bangalore, so he has got the city life exposure and all that. No, it is not the case with you. You have been developing that your own self. So on that note, I really appreciate your communication skills. Good job.
Great job, Pranav.
Good job, Pranav.
Well done, Pranav.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Well done, Pranav.
Okay. We are stepping into the next activity, which is called as Quality and Quantity Reborn. So this activity, tomorrow we'll continue for the next 2 or 3 days. You are not going to be present how many days?
So I come on
Sit down, sit down.
Thursday.
So Tuesday and Wednesday you are going to be off. Okay, right. So don't depend upon this girl. Whichever team she is going to be put up with. So make sure that you are having a replenishment act for the children.
Sure, sir.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Teams.
Yes.
Huh?
Sir, I will come on Wednesday. Right, sir. That time will I be put into some team there, sir?
You will be put into the team of where Keetana is absent. So you will compensate
Okay, sir.
Keetana's presence.
Yes.
Absence, Keetana's absence. Rather. Okay, so the team, online team will be the panel members. Unlike the other two activities of multi-facets and man-to-man, this time online team will be joining along with me in the panel. So we are going to have the kind of activity competition between two teams over here. அன்னைக்கு வந்து பேரண்ட்ஸ் சொல்லி கொடுப்பேன் யார் ஒன்று பேசுவாங்க நான் கற்று டென்ஷன் ஆகி
அப்புறம் ஆன்லைன் டீம் ஒரு வின்னர் சொன்னாங்க.
ஆமாம்
அது கரெக்டானு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்கள் மாற்றி.
ஆமாம் அதுதான் இல்லை இந்த தடவை கொஞ்சம் ஆமாம் அது ஒன்று ஆமாம் ரெண்டாவது ஜூனில் வந்து இருந்ததை விட இப்போ கொஞ்சம் திங்ஸ் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். தட்ஸ் வை ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் த ஹோல் ஸ்டெப் ஒன் மோர் டைம்.
All the best online panel members.
Sir, I know who are the teams, sir. I said that's in the second, sir, but opposite house.
Okay, so quickly, we are having only 7 members today, so that's pretty much. And Kavin Karthik is going to join after 2 days only. Vishnu Priya will join on Wednesday. So basically, Kavin Karthik, Pranav, everybody will be non-performers and in the panel. We will have a lot of discussion, and every time we are having a discussion, you all will be sent out.
So tomorrow only Vedarshan.
New attendee will be Vedarshan only. So that makes 4, 4, 8. So one team will have an imbalance.
Sir, so will I get to perform, sir?
You are not performing, you are into the panel.
Okay, sir.
Allow me to complete whatever.
Sir, you've been making the scores, sir.
I'll explain. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Miss Hariharan to say pull the hardships. Okay, right. So it's going to be about 4 versus 4. You'll have a lot of other activities too. So, fantasy teams. Start with that. We'll start with that. Which means Kirtana, Balaji, and
Vedarshan and Kalvidas.
இல்ல நீ சொன்ன மித்ரா சொன்ன நவீன் தர்ஷித்
Brilliant, sir.
உன்னை சேர்த்துமா உள்ள
Sorry, what's the water?
நல்ல த்ரோட கிளியர் பண்ணிட்டு
நீங்க திட்டுவீங்க சார்.
கேதன்
So myself, sir, Kalpita, sir, Lakshmi, Nam.
நீ சொல்லிட்டு நாளைக்கு ஓடி மித்ரா
Myself, sir. Kalpita, sir. Krishnan, sir. And anyone of your friends.
And the neighbor house.
அந்த பட்டர் பிஸ்னஸ்ல ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு. இந்த anyone of your choice, I'm okay with anything. இதெல்லாம் ஆகல. Be specific. Think.
Kirtana, sir.
Yes, sir.
Myself, sir. Kalpita, sir. Krishnan, sir. Kirtana, sir.
So then me, Dakshin Anna, Vedarshan and Balaji.
You got
Ring
two
squad.
more than
Ring
same
squad.
okay, like. Okay, sir.
எவ்வளோ மாதம் பண்ண போறீங்க?
அவனை கூட அப்படியே பண்ணி வச்சா
Going back to the old.
bring அப்படியே 20 கிலோ ஓடி போயிடுச்சு
சரி வாய் மூடி பேசு.
சார் தீர்த்தாங்க சார் கமலடா சார் தட்சிண சார்
டேய் நீ உன்னை சேர்த்து ஃபேண்டசி டீம்னா அதான்டா அர்த்தம்.
சார் நான் சார் தீர்த்தாங்க சார் தட்சிண சார் நான் சார் தீர்த்தாங்க சார்
Then Vedarshan, sir. Sorry.
No.
So me, sir. Vedarshan, sir. Mitra, sir. Kalpita, sir.
ஆடுதான்டா.
Dakshin, sir. Kirtana, sir. Krishnan, sir. Balaji, sir.
Super.
நகுலன் வேதவர்ஷன் மித்ரா கல்பிதா 4. Okay. Right. Darshan.
So Vedarshan, sir.
My conjoint twin வேதவர்ஷன்.
உங்களே சேர்த்துக்கோங்க
Krishnan, sir.
வேதவர்ஷன் நீ உன்னை சேர்த்து சொல்றியா?
Yes, sir. Sir, me, sir. Vedarshan, sir. Krishnan, sir. And anyone, sir.
MSc ஈவினிங் செஷன்ல 2 விஷயம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ.
எவன்டா
they will come back. Wait.
So they just went to investigate the sound.
Baladina, what happened, man?
Huh?
Baladina, we can't hear you now.
So they just investigating the sound. That's all.
Investigating, huh? Investigating what?
I think so. I think so. Last time someone threw a stone. No. I think yeah. I hear the noise like stone coming. Baladina. Baladina.
Oh, be good.
Yeah, pen அங்க போய்
Sir, nothing happened, sir. House and planet clear about that.
Sorry, sir.
Sir, that's in a fantasy thing or something.
Okay, so we are going to have the team like this. It's going to be Kalpita, Mitra, Nagaran and Varshan
Okay, sir.
versus
What's in this? I said politics.
And
no Kalpita, Mitra, Nagaran and Krishnan. Kalpita, Mitra, Nagaran, Krishnan versus Dakshin Siddharth, Vedavarshan, Balaji and Kirtan. Kirtan. So in the absence of Kirtana, Vishnu Priya comes in common.
Okay, sir.
That's the team.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Any doubts, any clarifications? Okay, right. So can we sit as per team? Come on.
yes, sir.
Baladina.
Sir, Balaji.
அண்ணா நீங்க வாங்க. சார் பாலாஜி நீங்க.
Yes.
Sir, when they were saying the fantasy team, I think so. Kavin need to say something. Sir. I think so. You off and mute and unmute, sir.
Yes. What is it? Come in.
Kavin Karthik, sir.
Karthik. What is it? Kavinka? Say, okay, forget it. Great.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think maybe I will come tomorrow, sir.
You will be coming direct tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
சரி நீ வா அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கலாம். டேய்
Yes, sir.
Sir.
you like to have a team member? Krishnan?
அப்போ யார் சார் அனுப்பும்?
இல்லை இல்லை அவங்க 3 பேர் இருக்கட்டும். நாளைக்கு வருஷம் வராங்க. இப்போ நாளைக்கு கவின் கார்த்திக் வருஷன் வராங்க. ஸோ வருஷன் உங்கள் டீமில் 4 பேர். இப்போ கவின் கார்த்திக் இந்த மட்டும் சேர்ந்தாங்கன்னா 5 பேர்.
Double check.
சார் கேட்கல ஃபேன் டீம் பாக்கி ரிமோட்
Sir,
Sir.
now
Sir.
so ரெண்டு பேர் வந்தாங்க ரெண்டு பேர்
Sir, I could.
Yes. டேய் இங்க பேசும்போது நீங்க பேசுறீங்களா? Yeah, Pranav, go.
Sir, not me, sir.
Sir, this is Kiran, sir. Can I ask a question, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, may I know who the team captains are to note down, sir?
Here it's going to be Balaji. It's been a long time since Balaji has been. And here it's Mitra.
All the best, Baladina.
So team
All
Balaji
the
and
best, Mitra.
Thank you, sir.
all the best, Mitra.
Thank you, sir.
team Balaji and team Mitra.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So my co-panel member, that is the online team, is going to be the panel members. We will be having a lot of discussions by having the 2 teams on the remote place. And I want the online team to give a person who would be called as the next second in command representative for our panel members, for the panel, for our panel. So make it quick, just like these people mentioned about the fantasy team, and they have arrived at a consensus. So you people have to call a person as the co-panel member for me, so that I will put that person in charge for getting the points from the other people, because basically right now it's hugely crowded in the online form. So that's how it is. So very quickly, say your opinion very quickly.
Okay, sir. So, first, sir, should this be like each person gives you their opinion, sir, or should we just discuss, sir?
No, that's correct. Each person will give an opinion, and we will take the majority and we'll put that person as the co-panel member for me.
Okay, sir.
We'll start with, I'll call the name and you will unmute your mic and you will say. We'll start with Ritvika, the previous activities captain.
So, sir, my option is Kiran Akka, sir. She's very active and she's best in memory, sir. So that I would like to choose her, sir.
Right, that's good. Thank you, Ritika. The second one is Ritan Nitish. Quickly.
Sir, I would also like to choose Kiran, sir. Same with because sir, she's really fast in noting down, sir, and she's easy to write in keyboard, sir. Sir, I'm choosing Kiran, sir.
The precision has the keyboard.
Thank you. Prabhu Aditya. Same as Ritan.
Sir, I also choose Kiran, sir, because she's a little active, sir, and she suggests upon somebody and asks the opinion, sir, and the before times, sir, when the direct class was on before, sir, Kiran was a panel member, sir, so in that time at last, they didn't perform well, sir, the panel team, so maybe this time could be a good chance, sir.
அதனால மறுபடியும் அதே மாதிரி மோசமா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு கிரணே போடலாம்
சார் ஒரு சான்ஸ் தரணுமா சார்
redemption chance
Final chance.
3 votes for Kiran and that's a real good thing. Okay, right. So
சூப்பர் சார்
எல்லாரும் கிரண பண்ணி மீடியல
நைஸ் observation.
Navin Karthik.
Sir,
Your opinion of who should be the leading the leader among you.
Okay, Vishnupriya.
Sir, I would like to choose Kiran, sir, because he's always active and that's very good.
Okay, so Pranav.
Sir, I don't know really, but as everyone is choosing Kiran Akka, even I'll go with Kiran Akka, sir.
Okay.
I vote.
Navin Karthik.
Sir,
சொல்றா யாரடா சூஸ் பண்ற பேனல் மெம்பரா கவனிக்க மாட்டியாடா நீ
Kavan, you have to choose a leader amongst us as a core panel member. Sir, he is my sir, sir.
Wow, I know now.
Kiran, what's your opinion?
Sir, my opinion would be Mirdupashni Akka, sir, since the first time we got to be panel members, sir, Mirdupashni Akka was the leader, sir. She didn't perform as well, sir, but then you told her to fix her mistakes, sir, and in the next time she really showed her best, sir, so I thought maybe if Mirdupashni Akka is second in command, she'd also do as well as she did last time, sir.
So Mridubhashini, what's your choice?
Sir, I think it would be Pranav, sir. It's first time for him to be co-panel member, sir. He will also be getting some experience of it, sir. So I think Pranav should be the co-panel member, sir.
சீக்கிரமா ஜெயிக்கிறது பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, so Prabhu Aditya. Prabhu Aditya,
Yes, sir.
you're going to be the co-panel member along with me.
Congratulations, Prabhu. Yeah. Congratulations, Prabhu.
Congratulations, Prabhu Aditya.
Because
Thank you.
well, now you comprehended a point that you are trying to give a redemption chance for Kiran. I appreciated that. I really like that leadership. Whereas you are considering your friend Kiran to get one more chance to prove her worth, and I really think that is a good chronicle as a leader. So I'm choosing you as my co-panel.
Congratulations, Prabhu.
Congratulations, Prabhu.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prince.
I basically think that Prabhu Aditya will not be behaving as in the previous two occasions where things got chaotic with Kiran and Mridubhashini when they were put as panel jury chief. So that has to be done. And Pranav cannot be taken as a panel member. Mridubhashini's choice. I'll have to say that for a reason, because Pranav does not know many people out there. And without knowing some people, if some domination happens, that will be very ugly. And Kiran has already been given a chance. And yes, I'm really happy that the other people are impressed with Kiran's work. So giving the chance to the same person who has got the chance again and again, that makes no sense. So that's why I want Prabhu Aditya to improve more. So that's why I put Prabhu Aditya.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Who is the captain in where Nakul and Krishnuthan are there? Who is the captain over there, sir?
Mitra.
Mitra. Okay.
Let me tell the first activity. The first activity, my online panel members and myself are going to observe the battle between Team Mitra and Team
Balaji, sir.
Team Balaji. There is going to be some properties over here. I told you that simulation. So the properties can be chosen. Like Mitra, Kalpita, Krishnan will help me to take the properties and put over here in the center. We will arrange all the three tables over here, and some properties will be kept. And each team will be given some properties. Most important point is that they don't have the option of choosing the property of their own. I will be allocating the properties. Okay. So the properties will be, let's say for example, 5 or 7 objects to Team Mitra and 5 or 7 objects to Team Balaji. So some creative questions have to be asked. Let's say for example, if Krishnan is holding a particular container that contains some plastic items, Dakshin will ask a question to Krishnan. And the questioning, just like yesterday's the arrow shots, I will be figuring out the names and those people will ask. Like for example, Dakshin to Krishnan, then Dakshin has to ask a question. And the question should be as creative as possible with specific relevance to the object that he is having. Let's say for example, if Krishnan is holding the, say that particular thing that's over there, the Lego pieces, okay? So you have to create something. Okay, so Krishnan, the Lego pieces that you are having is like the problems that we have in country. அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஏதாவது சிமுலேட்டடாக நீ கிரியேட் பண்ணணும். ஆனால் கிருஷ்ணனுடைய ஆன்சர் நீ கேட்குற அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி தான் அந்த ஆன்சர். இரலவெண்ட்டாவோ இல்லை ஆப்போசிட்டாவோ போச்சு அப்படின்னா தென் த டீம் வில் லூஸ் மார்க். உங்கள் டீம் நீ இரலவெண்ட் ஆன்சர் பண்ணி ஓன் டீம் தான் ப்ராப்ளம் மார்க்.
இல்லை கிறிஸ்டின் கிறிஸ்டின் சொல்கிறேன் கேள்வி வச்சுருக்கேன் வந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் நான் ஃபோனு சாண்ட்விச்சு நீ என்ன பண்ணுறேன்னு கேட்டால் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஸ்க்ரோல் பண்ண சொல்லுவேன் சாப்பிடுன்னு சொல்லி
Exactly. That's how it is. This is how the team members will help. Okay. So team members can help. When the question is asked, team members can help. And answers are the Krishnan das.
So will we be given a proper time to prepare the question?
Sorry.
Will we be given a time to prepare?
Maybe we should go out when they decide but then
Property allocation will be done, and then you will be given a separate privacy time. அப்போ நீங்கள் questions என்னென்னலாம் பண்ணுவோம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் அதாவது இப்போ கீர்த்தனா will definitely ask Mitra, Dakshin will definitely ask Navin அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இல்லை. யார் வேணாலும் யார்கிட்ட வேணாலும் questions கேட்க மாதிரி. ஸோ உங்களுடைய கண்ட்ரோல் என்னன்னு சொல்லி கேட்டால் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ்க்கு லேண்டமாக 2-3 பேர் தான் நான் சொல்லுவேன். ஸோ இட்ஸ் 4 against.
நீங்கள் சொல்லுவீங்க சார் நம்ம யார் இந்த கொஸ்டின்
ஆமாம், I will say Kalpita to Balaji, I will say Kirtana to Mitra, I will say Krishnan to Dakshin அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. Sometimes even இவங்க உங்கள் டீமில் இம்பேலன்ஸாக இருக்குன்னா I will even say Kirtana to Balaji. உங்களுக்குள்ளேயே கூட நேரம் ஷாட்ஸ் வரும்.
So there will be one, like, you give the mark to the questioner as
Sir?
well as
Yes.
Sir, can we note down which object we have? Because
You are a panel member, you are free to do whatever you want. You can, that will be basically a very good analysis assistance form. But
okay, sir.
you just can't speak without the approval of your leader Prabhu Aditya. Prabhu Aditya reports to me and you people all report to Prabhu Aditya.
Supreme leader Prabhu.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so shall we quickly grab some items? Random items கொண்டு வந்து நீ
கிறிஸ்டின் நீ கீழே போக
சார் நான் கண்ணை
டேரக்டா கிச்சனுக்கு போய் எடுத்துக்கலாம் சார் ரேண்டமாக எடுத்துக்கலாம்
நான் கண்ணை மூடிட்டு அவங்க பேர் இருக்கோம்
சார் நாங்கள் போய் எடுக்கிறோம் இந்த டீம் எடுக்கிறோம் சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சார்
டேய்
Hey,
Good day.
panel members should give analysis
Yeah.
of how they did.
You will know what you should do shortly. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Kirtana, channel.
அக்கா தள்ளுங்க அக்கா சார் நீங்க ஸ்லோ பண்ணுங்க சார்
The round based simulation ஆரம்பிச்சோம்.
Simulated questions.
Sir, can I keep the box?
Very points are very good.
சார் கேட்கணுமா?
இல்லை அப்படியே உட்காந்துக்கோங்க, அதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம். So as you could see, the
ஒண்ணு உட்காரு இல்லைன்னா எழுசாரு
Yes, sir, sir, we can.
all are clear. மெதுவா வை.
சார் சார்
எனக்கு வலிக்குது. Yes.
Sir, a small doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, after this round completes, can we give bonus, sir?
நீ என்ன வேணாலும் முடிவு பண்ணலாம். நீ உன்னுடைய ஒப்பீனியன் நீ சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஆஸ் அ கோ பேனல் மெம்பர் எனக்கு வந்து கிருஷ்ணத்துக்கு போனஸ் கொடுக்கணும்னு தோணுது அப்படின்னு நீ சொன்னீங்கன்னா and if the other co-members are also approving that, then we together can give bonus to Krishna as an example.
Sir, but Prabhu Aditya அண்ணா கிட்ட கேட்டுட்டு தான் சொல்லணுமா சார்?
Correct. இல்ல நீங்க ஐடியாஸ் சொல்லலாம். If Prabhu says no and yes, that will be fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you need not know what exactly is the item. So that is immaterial for us as panel members. What matters most is the biggest creative question set these people are thinking about. Here in this activity, the brain works in a very different form than it works during writing an examination or when they are studying or when they are solving a mathematical puzzle or something. So that's the real reason for this activity design. So உங்களுக்கு என்ன இதுன்னு தேவையில்லை. So don't waste time asking what material you have given to Kalpita Akka, what material you have given to Dakshina அப்படிலாம் கேட்காதீங்க. இவங்களுக்கு அது தெரிஞ்சா போகும். Now, but for namesake I would like to say, I will start with Team Mitra. This is a container containing the chess coins, black and white chess coins. So that's the first property given to Team Mitra. You can keep all your materials over here and I will keep all their materials over here. So, another container containing the Lego pieces that is given for Team Balaji. 9 years old. So, Lego pieces, material supply number 1. Material supply number 2, this particular container has got all those plastic coins that we use in trade. Businessman game la vilayadra the plastic coins. So 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees plastic coins. So this container is given to Team Mitra. And we have got a container that contains the currencies of stock market game. So you all have seen the stock market game currencies. So the currencies of 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 5 lakh, all those currencies container is given to Team Balaji. So that's pretty much going to be the second material supply for Team Balaji.
You mentioned that if, for instance, Krishna is holding this chess coin, what that chess coin represents that should be told by Dakshana now he is asking the question, or Krishna?
You are holding this, you are having basic control over this material. But the questioning about this is completely the control of the opposite team. Okay? அதே மாதிரி அவங்க வச்சிருக்கிறதுக்கு நீ தான் control. The point is only the person is holding it in hand physically, but the control is within you. Okay? That's all it is.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry for the
No problem. So the third one is again connective toy pieces. This is a particular bag that contains plenty of plastic materials and that's given for Team Mitra. And this one, the basic clamps, the plastic clamps that is used in Young Engineer game, where the clamps are in yellow in color and blue in color. All these clamps are given as another property supplied for Team Balaji. Yeah. Now, these are the share market trading cards, companies' cards, where it is going to give the position of ups and downs. So, the team can simulate something. Yes.
Sir, sorry for interrupting, sir. I want to leave now, sir.
Why?
Sir, my phone's battery is low, sir.
Hey, இதெல்லாம் இங்க பண்ணினா கெட்ட கோவம் வரும் எனக்கு. What do you think? You're watching a movie or something? போன சார்ஜ் போட்டு மறுபடியும் கிளாஸ்க்குள்ள வா. Do you think attending online is a kind of a free of என்ன கிளப்ல விளையாடுற கேம் நினைச்சிட்டியா? Just like that you say that my phone battery is dying so I'm leaving. You're attending the class, damn it. ஏதாவது ஒரு ஜங்ஷன் பாக்ஸ்ல சார்ஜ் போட்டு போனை சார்ஜ்ல போட்டு மறுபடியும் வரணும் வந்து ஆகும் நீங்க. Do it immediately.
Yes, sir.
So this trading cards is given as a property supply for Team Mitra. So we'll make 5-5. Bolts and nuts and washers. So this is used in young engineer game. So this is a container that is given for Team Balaji.
So nuts and washers, sir.
The washers in there. Washers, nuts, bolts. Last but by no means least, the materials that are used for engineering, the containers, the wheels, and the interim shocks and all that. Team Mitra. That's it for Team Mitra. The simulated model trees in the monkey game, Krishna's game. So basically, the simulated model trees and see the t-shirt color is also the same. So green t-shirt, green monkey with the cap and all that. Yes. So this is given for Team Balaji. Now the material supply round is over. Other than this, don't touch any other item. Yeah.
So we basically don't have to worry about our materials. Yes.
Either. I'm coming to that. Irrespective of, just now I told to Naglan from Team Mitra, stating that you have the control over asking questions on the opposite team's holdings. Now, team talk க்கு போக போறாங்க ரெண்டு பேரும். இவங்க questions கேட்கறது அல்லாம this is going to have a split round. The split round என்னன்னு சொல்லி கேட்டா as usual. நம்ம simulation roundல விளையாடுறோம் இல்லையா? ஒவ்வொரு இதுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டை நீங்க ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு ஸ்டோரி ஒன்று கிரியேட் பண்ணுங்க. அதையும் இங்க பண்ணணும்.
As a team or as an
As a
individual?
team, as a team.
So we need more time.
In the first questioning,
Can we keep that as a section separate also?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
After that also.
Yes, sir, third round, sir. Because today, if you complete the second round, you mentioned.
second round வந்து நான் table tennis வச்சிருக்கேன்.
Okay, sir.
Physical game, golf ball table tennis versus team.
Maybe for the fourth round or third round.
சரி, okay.
Because when whereas physical game, whereas in a lot people miss now, they will not feel impacted. But for the.
சரி, இதுக்கு மட்டும் அப்ப பிளான் பண்ணி சொன்ன மாதிரி. Okay.
Sir, I think it's part of
Prabhu Aditya, would you like to give any inputs before we send to the teams for their team talks?
Sir, no, sir, and I need to tell you one thing, sir.
Yeah.
The voice is highly breaking for me, sir. So shall I leave and join, sir?
Is it the same case for everybody? Is there anyone who is feeling the same that Prabhu Aditya feels?
No, sir.
That Prabhu Aditya you can leave and join.
Okay, how much time, sir, for a team talk, sir?
Rita, you got to keep the time and the team talk. How much time do you need?
Sir, 10 minutes.
Sir, I can keep the time, sir.
Okay, Pranav. So you can keep 10 minutes time. Now, சொல்லும்போது
Okay,
please switch on the timer. Are you ready?
Sure, sir.
First of all, pick up your items, please. Team Mitra and Team Balaji. இப்போ எதுடா? Pick up your items. பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஒரு இது பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஐட்டம்ஸ்ங்கிறது உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? அதான் நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க. உங்க ஐட்டம்ஸ் என்ன? ஆனா ஐட்டம்ஸ் எடுத்து போலன்னா பரவாயில்ல. நீங்க எப்படி வேணாலும் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
எதுக்கு நான் எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க.
எழுதி வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? ஓகே. ரைட்.
Okay, ready? Okay.
சரி, ஓகே. Right. Pranav, the time starts on 3, 2, 1, go.
Started, sir. Sir, 10 minutes. Sir.
This 9 minutes on the
Sir, 10 minutes time I started, sir.
Yeah, okay. So we need to plan. Prabhati has come.
No, sir, Prabhaditya not income.
No, sir. Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday, sir, there was third round, sir. Like same we can keep today also, sir.
What third round?
Sir, teammates can ask in their wish, sir, whom they want.
No. First, let us give some aero shots. We will give mandatory things, and then we will convert it as a round that you are saying.
Sir, so can we give bonus to a really creative question, sir? Like,
So
according from
what you do is, if you feel that you want a bonus to be given, put that in the chat box and discuss with your team members. And if some of the team members are saying no, there is no bonus really necessary, then you can you should forego it, because if a teammate is not feeling, if a panel member is not feeling that the bonus is very necessary, then we'll skip it. That's how it goes.
Okay, sir, I'm just putting what all each team's got in the chat box, sir.
Yeah, that will be nice. Okay, so Prabhu Aditya, as a leader, what is your strategy? How are you going to evaluate the two teams?
So, sir, first of all, sir, first I will ask the persons to tell their ideas, sir. If in the first 10 seconds no one comes, sir, I'll just allot it.
Right.
Should be not consumed
Okay.
more, sir.
Yeah. So okay, that's good.
Within that, discuss, sir. And
Sir,
otherwise,
can you see, sir, I put the...
is it okay, sir?
Yeah, that's okay. That's really okay. Pranav, don't talk when we are talking. I will come to you.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yeah, Ritan, you raise your hand. What is it?
Yes, sir. So basically, sir, if you are giving a bonus points, sir.
So basically, the properties 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that belongs to Team Mitra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this belongs to Team Balaji. Okay, so as we have discussed, Team Prabhu Aditya, we are going to start, and Pranav and Ritan Nitish have mentioned the point. So the panel member Prabhu Aditya, the panel led by Prabhu Aditya has decided that each team will have 10 minutes for asking questions to the opposite. Within the 10 minutes, you have to finish your question.
Sir, all of
Maximum
us want
12.
to ask questions, sir.
எல்லாமே நீங்க நான் இந்த கொடுக்குற அந்த 10 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள முடிச்சோம். Maximum 12 minutes, minimum 10 minutes. 2 minutes.
Also, Jack in the first half, that's it.
Sorry.
You would tell the persons whom to ask question, that's it. That's also you can
That is in the 10 minutes plan. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு 3 minutes extra கொடுக்குறேன். குயிக்கா நீங்க ஆன்சர். உங்களுடைய questions. Shall we start? Prabhu Aditya.
Yes, sir. Ready the time for 10 minutes, sir.
Which team do you want to question first? It's your choice.
Sir, I think so we can go with Balajina's team, sir.
Prabhu Aditya.
Because they're low in numbers, sir.
Is that fine, Prabhu Aditya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so Ritan, set the time. 3, 2, 1, go. Darshan to Kalpita.
So, the object which I'm choosing is this boost box with the chess console. So Kalpita, imagine this external layer of the box to be a meeting hall where hundreds and thousands of people gather for a meeting, and basically it's not in India, let's consider it somewhere abroad, and they are the people inside the meeting hall. And one thing about this is that as the color of the pawns, like as the color of the coins, this is the actual color of the people as well. The white people and the black people. So you witness a racist incident, an incident which showcases racism, but you are only one in number, there are thousands and hundreds in number. So will you just get away from that place, or will you go there and tell to those people that what you are doing is wrong, and will you try to change something over there as a single-handed person, or will you just walk away quietly?
On the first part, I would just give one trainer to console them, or to give some points and say some facts about the racism. If there are thousands of people on here and only one, I'll try to grab the attention of few people from there and try to make them in my side now. And if that is not possible, I'll just move it.
That's a good one. Good job. Right. Okay. The second arrow shot, Kirtana to Mitra.
So Mitra considered this as two emotions with you, Mitra. One is positive emotion and negative emotion, Mitra. The question which I am going to ask with you is including our emotion. Consider you have a family members. Family members inclusive of mom and dad, they gave some responsibilities to you, which you need to be completed. Within the stipulated time, you need to be completed. But this emotion, positive emotion and negative emotion, was saying you something. Some positive emotion says you can do it, but negative emotion says you cannot do it. But inside you, there is some argument with this board. Totally with this argument, you just hear into it, you completely collapsed. But in your mind now, it is blank. What you can do in this situation? What you do?
Nice question.
Thank you.
Inner confidence.
So as Sir told, it's about inner demon. So we have already got through a session activity called 5 Mr. Inner Demon, and we have come across lot of therapies to do. So I should be, number one, I should be very confident being a consistent therapy doer. So in case, in that case, being a consistent therapy doer, because in my future this will happen. So at that time I must be at least a master at any one of the therapies that we have done. Number one, and then I have to be very, very confident and very trustworthy that I have to follow my parents. They have given me, they have trusted in me, they have believed in me, and they have given the responsibilities. Although I have negative emotions and positive emotions, every person will have only the mindset to follow the positive emotions. Although my mind is blind, I should be
Sir, already candidate Mitra better start, sir.
being a therapy doer, I should be able to handle that situation. So number one solution for this question is by following these therapies. And number two, I have to train my mindset that I have to follow the responsibilities. And number three is I should always follow the positive. Whether negative is giving good impact on me or not, I should be following a positive.
Right, that's the right answer. Smart one. Now, Balaji to Nagaland.
So picking that the young sir. So basically that so I assume that it is a push truck, and it is
Push truck.
Push truck.
Sorry, push.
Vishwan Headstrike.
And it's supposed to carry the goods, any type of goods, from one city to another city. So one day that driver was absent to deliver the goods from Jammu Kashmir to Delhi. So as an officer, how will you try to compensate the manager?
Jammu Kashmir.
What goods, na?
Wood truck.
And what officer, na?
So
That's forestry officer.
yes.
Forestry officer.
Sandalwood, sir.
Teak wood, sandalwood, your oak tree or cut pieces எல்லாம் கொண்டு போற அந்த vehicles வந்து surveillance பண்றோம்.
No, so first thing, first thing I will do is talk to both parties, and that is both people involved, and figure out what went wrong, where it happened, and if it's a legitimate reason, I obviously have to find a way to console one person who has not received his or her goods yet, and I will also have to speak to the other person to ensure that this thing does not happen again, because everything in every industry actually works like clockwork, every peg and every button needs to be pushed at the correct time for the correct amount of length, even we could say, to put it in a mathematical basis. So what I would do is first I would talk to the person who is supposed to be receiving it. I would explain to him or her what is happening, and what I would do is I would assure him that the goods will reach him as soon as possible, and the next thing I would do is find a replacement driver, because there must be a lot of people who know how to drive and who are trustworthy enough, who are currently, let's say, who are off duty or jobless even, so who will always be people who want a chance to prove themselves and to earn a little bit of money. So I will choose one of those persons, and then what I would do is I would talk to the driver who was supposed to go there, and I would figure out where things went wrong, and I would stop them. So that's
Pass the time, boys. And Pranav, tell me how much time elapsed for Team Mitra to answer.
Sir, 3 minutes 14 seconds, sir.
Is it the elapsed time or time remaining?
Time remaining 3 minutes 14 seconds.
Alright, okay, thank you. And resume whenever I'm saying, because Vishwanath is going to be questioned now. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep on to Krishna.
Just assume, okay, it's
They are having a
Time.
So with this you just build an house, okay? Just consider that is in a dark place in which you are alone. No other person is around. It's full of dark place. Where you just hear some noises. You just feel that something is odd over here. Something odd over here, but sometimes you just feel it's comfortable. Other being in a home or some other places, it's just comfortable. So you're just thinking of this for several times. You're just a bit afraid of that darkness also. But it's just what happened that your mom is just taking. It's just a dream. Okay, it's just a dream. After the dream, you just thinking that if it is happened in my real life, what I will do.
That's a question.
Your reaction, how will you solve that?
if some paranormal situation happens in real life, what
அவன்
is
ஸ்கிட்டே இந்த பாக்ஸ்க்குள்ள கொண்டு வந்தாரு.
ஆமா சார் கரெக்ட்
ஸ்கிட்ல இருக்கிறதே மறுபடியும் கொண்டு வந்துருக்கேன்.
So the question was nice, sir. Sir, you teach me that the therapist to these are the body states and you teach me, sir. So we can do the therapies or we can distract other things to concentrate on this, sir.
Pass the time. Is there any time remaining? Pranav?
Sir, 1 minute 40 seconds.
Alright, so 1 minute 40 seconds remaining and 3 more minutes. Let us extend to 3 more minutes. So we will make it as 4 minutes and 40 seconds where Team Balaji now have the liberty of asking any questions to anybody, taking any kind of objects for them. So Pranav, you need not wait once if the time is elapsed. 4:40. 4:40 is the time. So just unmute
Sir,
your
I'm
mic.
setting a new alarm for 4 minutes 40
Yeah, 4 minutes 40 seconds. When it is 20 seconds left, you need not wait for anybody else's command. You just unmute and say the time 20 seconds left. Okay? So, Team Balaji, now you have got the complete liberty. Dakshin Siddharth, Mitra and Balaji, you have got the complete liberty to ask anyone any question representing any of these ones.
So just 3 want to answer question and answers at the beginning.
அதான் இது வரைக்கும் நான் சொன்னவங்க கிட்ட கேள்வி கேட்டாங்க. இப்போ இந்த 4 நிமிஷத்துல அவங்க ஃபுல்லா ரிக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. யார்கிட்ட வேணாலும் அவங்க என்ன क्वेश्चन வேணாலும் இந்த
Sir, so can we put our points for those? Can we start noting?
Not now. Once
Okay,
Team
sir.
Balaji finishes his entire proceedings, in presence of them, we are going to have a live discussion about how much marks should be given for Team Mitra. That's how it goes.
Sir, no sir, I was just noting down the points, how much my opinion, sir. Or each team.
Your opinion can wait, simply speaking. Once both the teams are completed, then you will have a team talk while
Okay.
you are sitting here and
Okay.
then we can.
Yeah, that's how it goes. Mitraவுடைய performance, team performance முடிஞ்சோனே I'll open a forum of discussion between myself and the three panel members. அப்ப நீங்களோட opinion எல்லாம் சொல்லு, we will consolidate and we'll give a mark. Is that okay?
Sure, sir.
4:40. Are you ready with the time?
Yes, sir.
Make use of the time. He is actually keeping the time. So, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sir, I want to ask you a question, sir. Yeah. So, I'll be using this one now for the question. So, imagine these bigger pieces. First of all, you are the Prime Minister of India, okay? In this particular situation, and these bigger pieces represent a big project, like sending a satellite to Mars or the Moon, okay? So, if you do that, like if you give approval for this project, then India will become a global power, okay? Everyone will start seeing India as a developed country and one of the best countries in the world. And if you take them out, and the smaller pieces, they are the small problems like electricity cuts, poverty,
Resources problems.
yes, the resources problems.
I have a doubt now. For the satellite and this poverty, what connection?
Wait, let me complete. Yeah.
Nice question, ma'am.
Yeah. So one side you have to do this, and if you do that, media fame, everything will get. On the other side, using the same budget, you have a choice of like improving the society in India, like giving electricity to homes and like almost eradicating poverty. But if you do that, India will like no one outside will know. It will not. So, it will not get global acknowledgement. No one will acknowledge it. So which project will you choose?
So now I will choose this poverty project now. More than this famous project, the people's life are important than this one.
Beautiful.
Therefore, Mr. Manika, that's it.
Beautiful. Satellite is not that much important and people's poverty. Is that a convincing answer?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Time. Go. Yeah.
So I'd like to ask you, Kalpita, sir. I'm just using chess coins, sir.
Sure.
So here in chess coins, a few coins, it just happens in an army place. So few coins of soldiers and only one black coin is your bestie or best friend. So one coin alone is your best friend. So here what happened in the sense, it's just happening in a simultaneous basis. So you need to be in a war field where an important war is going to happen against some other country. Here what happened to your friend in the sense is he met with an accident. He's just asking you, you need to be, you need
Yeah,
to
friend here. Here.
It was cancer. She just asking you for several times, she need you to be with her. So where you will be? You need to be in a war field or you will be with your friend?
Can you mean the war is going on or?
No. The situation is that she met with an accident. There is one war is going to start. You are in a position where you need to lead the war.
You are in the commanding position where you are supposed to lead the war.
Okay, I'll go to the war field because we are having thousands of people there and only one aircraft. So I would rather choose that one.
Pretty. What an answer. Good. Nice. Yeah. How much time left?
So 154, sir.
Sir, 1 minute 33 seconds.
Alright. Okay. Go.
Sir, a question to Nabil.
Wait.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, ask question to Mitra, sir.
Okay, leader Balaji, ask question to Mitra.
So I'm going to choose the coins, sir.
Okay.
So basically, so it represents the tokens of the slippers are in the old.
Slippers?
No, in old temple system they use tokens to like.
Old temple system.
Okay.
Go on.
Okay, come on.
So they use what the temple rules like that. If you keep stupid, they will give you token. So after you return temple, you have to submit the token.
I mean, no.
So one day what happens is that the token giver is having absent and there is no one in the token. So what happens is many of the slippers have been stolen. So if you are in that place, how will you give solution?
அதாவது எந்த ஹாலிவுட் மூவிலையும் இப்படி ஒரு மிஸ்டீரியஸ்
VKC break.
யோசிச்சதே கிடையாது.
20 seconds left.
Day.
Okay. We'll go by you.
Can you, sir? So Anna, it's also there's mistake on my part too now because When I am entering the temple, I must have guessed that okay, this person is not there. This person is safeguarding and will be giving the tokens, but this person is not there. So it is my responsibility and my duty to safeguard these things now. And then I have to safeguard it somewhere else now. So mistake is on my part, and I have to accept it because mistake is on my part, and there is no use of blaming others or that. There is also mistake on robbers, but I can't blindly blame others and go to police.
That was handsome handling of questions by Team Mitra with about 14 to 15 seconds to spare. Now, I gave about 30-40 extra for some of the buffer time that the team took for asking questions. So basically, 40 minutes is the time that was taken by Team Mitra for answering these questions. Now, Team Mitra and Team Balaji, so you can relax. Now I've got a very important thing to do with my team. Prabhu Aditya's team, you can give your opinions and whatever you had been thinking about Team Mitra's performance, we'll quickly discuss and we will give away the points for their performance. All the 4 members really did a great job. I really appreciate it.
Next questions now. Next question.
Who speaks first? Who speaks first?
Sir, can I speak, sir?
Prabhu Aditya, you start first. Leader.
Yes, sir. So, first, can I give my opinion, sir, or last, sir?
No. We will not be having time for listening one by one everybody's opinion. That's Garamana Rayo. Takkane consolidate panni, I've been seeing some chat lines flashing up. So the chat lines is consolidate panni, ennagadhu takkane soludhu. You start with. You will start as a leader. Come on.
Okay, sir. So, sir and friends, I think that Team Mitra has been very well done, and Mitra's brief explanation and creative answering has they will be paid given the marks good. So I think we can give about 80, 89.
Okay, right.
So, sir, may I?
Yeah, can
Sir. So, sir, as much as the Team Mitra has answered very well, very amazingly, sir, the people who asked the question also did very well, sir. So, well done to both teams.
Thank you.
So my opinion of points for Team Mitra is 94 because everyone did amazing and the answers were very personal to them and it actually felt like it was coming out of their hearts. So, well done to them.
Okay. Pranav wanted to speak now. Pranav, it's your turn. Come on.
Sir, so I liked both the teams' performance, sir, but the questions which
We are not hearing you.
Sir, are you able to hear me?
Now, yes. Go. Fast.
Sir, so Team Balaji had really creative questions, sir, and Keerthanaka also gave really nice imaginative questions, sir, and Krishpantanna also answered the question, like their whole team did a really great job answering and questioning, sir. So I would give both the teams equal marks as 95,
No.
sir.
You're supposed to give mark only for Team Mitra. So what are to say?
Okay, Team Mitra 95, sir.
95.
Thank you, Pranav.
Thank you, Pranav.
Alright, everybody else? Yes, Vishnupriya. Quick.
So basically Team Balajana and Team Mitra did a very great job, and Team Balajana very nice questions and Team Mitra very brief answering. So I would like to give them 95, sir, because they had a very brief answering for all the questions, sir.
What do you mean by
Especially
brief?
Mitra and
What do you mean by brief?
Sir?
Brief na neenga ellarum enna mean pandreenga?
Sir, really clear and nice answering, sir.
Brief means
yes, sir,
very
elaborated
short.
answers, sir.
Illada, brief means
Brief is a very elaborative answer.
brief na very short. ரொம்ப clear-ஆ இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா அதை வந்து நீங்கள் எப்படி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டால் clear elaborated answer அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லணும். Briefனா ரொம்ப ஷார்ட். Can you brief me about railway ticket reservation? அப்படின்னா railway ticket reservation அப்படிங்கிறது எப்படி பண்ணுங்கிறது ரொம்ப குவிக்காக ஷார்ட்டாக எனக்கு சொல்லுங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ elaborated அப்படிங்கிறது தான் ரைட் வேர்ட். இல்லை நீங்கள் clarity அப்படின்னம்னா say the explanation was with a lot of clarity அப்படி சொல்லுங்க. Brief is a wrong word usage here. Okay, Vishnupriya, we got what you were trying to mean. Now, Prabhu Aditya, if nobody else is having, it is time for us to quickly consolidate and as a core panel member of mine, give us the final score for Team Mitra's performance.
Sir,
Prabhu Aditya, if you're speaking, we are not hearing you.
sir, we're
Yes,
putting
sir.
in the chat
Sir,
box.
sir.
Yeah, Prabhu Aditya, go.
Sir, it's 95, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So you'll say, sir?
Well done, Team Mitra. You really deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well done,
Well done,
Team
Team
Mitra.
Mitra. Well done.
Thank you.
So, in acceptance to what Prabhu Aditya and his members are mentioned as 95, there were areas where the team could have been a little bit more elaborative. Balaji's question was, jokes of Balaji's question was pretty realistic, practical and very orienting. So for that, Mitra had answered really well, and I really liked the question about Indian Army that Kirtana brought up for Kalpita, and Kalpita had no hesitation to answering that there are a couple of people who can take care of my friend in the hospital, but I will go to the battlefield. And Nagalan was able to quickly grab up and explain things as far as that forest surveying officer, and Krishnan mentioned about poverty is most important. So there was a kind of very, sharp ways of explaining things, and prioritizing was really nice. So I would like to add one more mark, so we shall give 96.
Thank you so much, sir. Great job, team.
Sir,
Great
team
job.
was
Okay, sir.
Well done, team.
one more grace. Simple as it.
Great job, Team
இது
Mitra.
தூக்கி அடி சார். நீ அடி வாங்கு.
Sir,
Well
Team
done,
ka
Team
one,
Mitra.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Tom.
team को गिफ्ट क्या होगा?
But we are not going to see anything or any iota of thing least from Team Balaji, because they are really fine-tuned up very well. Now, Pranav, are you ready with the 10 minutes timer? Because it's going to be switch hats now. Team Mitra will ask questions to Team Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Alright, okay. So, Team Mitra, yeah.
While we are talking in the middle to pass it, I should pass the demo.
இல்ல அப்படி பண்ணலையா அவங்க பண்ணலையா உங்களுக்கு கொஸ்டின் கேட்கும்போது டைம் ஓடிட்டே தான்
No, sir. Not everything. Inside, நம்ம இப்போ கிறிஸ்டியன் கூட பேசிட்டு போறோம் அந்த மாதிரி.
everything is inclusive of time. அப்படி தான் அவங்களுக்கு பண்ணிச்சு அதே மாதிரி நம்ம வச்சு 10 minutes time, okay, right? So
Yes, sir.
they handle the time really well. Did you pass in the middle, Pranav? Previously? No, இல்ல?
Oh, sir, I kept it correct at 14 minutes, sir.
No, இப்போ 10 minutes வை 10 minutes முடிஞ்சு
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, right. 3.
Sir, I put 10 minutes sir, I can.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Kalpita to Dakshin Siddharth.
And I'm choosing the stock market cards. Now the stock market cards are real cards which you have invested now, and you are facing a great loss, and your entire identity is spoiled now. Will you rather run away or compensate the loss by now?
Running away basically means that I've accepted defeat, and it basically shows that I'm not a trained person. So being a student of sir, how can I run away from problems?
Thank you.
It's not over until I meet, sir.
That's super.
Sir, sir, you want to learn sir?
முடிக்கிட்டா
How do you know?
So I'll show them who's the boss. I'll remain in the field. And I'll show that I'm the student of the great Dr. Manikandan Sundaresan. And I'll invest more next year.
நீங்க கண்ணை காதை மூடிக்கோ.
I'll strategize where I went wrong, what went wrong, and I'll have a clear picture, a financial model in my mind, and I'll create a proper budget and I'll give it a shot again.
Beautiful. Nice answer, and that's making me feel very special. Mitra to Keith.
So, Kirtana, I would like to choose this jumping monkeys that one cup. So, one person is there, cup. He is starving fast food, and that person is suffering because of poverty, and he is starving for food. And on the other side, you have a very, very good friend who helps you in a major crisis situation. You may imagine the crisis situation as of you like he was the one who helped you. So in this situation, whom will you help? Either the person who is suffering from poverty for food, or the other person who helped you is asking for food and other. He's rich, but he's asking for food from you. Whom will you help?
He's rich.
He's rich. He was rich, and at the same time he helped you, but he showed off a lot. But now he's starving for food. Now, at the present situation, who will you help?
So I'll just tell the poverty person who is starving for food. He or she was a rich person. Now they don't have any food to eat. So I like to help them because in present situation also, if a person is suffering from something else, I like to help them a lot. So I'm just choosing them.
Alright, that's good. Nagaland to Dakshinshita.
Okay, so Dakshina, here's the question. So for the object is those young engineer plants like that box, the chocolate box. So the question I have for you is, what we use this clamps for is basically connecting things together, holding things in place. And when I say connecting two places, my mind goes to a bridge. Okay, so let's take this. So you are on one side of the river, and the river is a ferocious river, and the bridge is a very rickety, old, damaged one, even you could say. On this side of the bridge, there is a simple place for you. On this side of the river, where you are, there is a simple place for you to stay now. No food for that night, no food, no water, other than the flowing water that's in the river. You have a simple shack which you can go in, sleep, and maybe be protected from the rain because there are a lot of holes in it and something even you could say. And you will definitely be protected from the predators. That's the only thing you have, because this river is located in a dense forest area. If you take the risk and cross the bridge, there is an inn there on that side of the bridge. But the bridge crossing is what matters most. Every step you take to the bridge, you go more and more closer to falling down. Okay, now the bridge is that old and rickety and dangerous, even you could say. So, what I am asking you is, will you risk the loss of your life on the bridge to cross the bridge and stay in an inn for a night, where you will be obviously fed and where they will have food for you and they will have a relatively nicer place to sleep for you? Or will you brave and stay in the shack where you can cross in the night time, since the river is very ferocious, there are no boats crossing it. If you wait till the morning, you can cross it.
Thanks for the wonderful Hollywood movie.
So, since I'm in the middle of a dense forest, as you mentioned, already my life is not gone. So I have to take risks, and as I said, as I answered to Kalpita's question, risks are always there. And if I don't have food for the night, and as you said, there are a lot of predators wandering around in the forest. So I think I'll take the risk and I'll go to the other side, because since I'm in the middle of the forest, I have to move forward and I have to search for a way to get out. So I think I'll have to cross the bridge at any cost, and I'll use some techniques of crossing the old bridges, like the ones that they do in South America, like the Incas, the bridges they built using grass. So I might use those techniques, and somehow I'll try to cross it and have a great time, because since you mentioned that there's a shack on the other hand, predators might get inside and they might kill me. So I think I have to.
Beautiful answer. That's good. Krishnan to Balaji.
So now I'm taking this nuts and bolts now. Imagine that the nuts and bolts are like the satellites that in the space. So in the earth now, your parents are there, they are in the accident now, they are in the serious situation. So in the satellite is going to burst, and if it burst with there is a radiation pollution, it may be damaged the earth. Now what will you do?
Tough question.
So you say that this satellite is damaged or what will the solution? So basically, I will try to find a replacement for communicating my parents. So if the satellite goes, I have to think for other way for communicating. So always telephone is not the one way to communicating. We always use walkie-talkies or we can use the GPS location of where they are. So
Good job. Very nice answer. Kalpita to Kitu.
After you are stuck in the middle of the road car, there is no power and it's totally dark. And in one side of the road, you are seeing one girl being bullied and eat pizza. And
What?
the-
Repeat it.
Bully.
and eat pizza. And in the other side, child is crawling in the road and a car is coming towards the child car. Who will you save?
Even John. Yeah, you carry on. நீ தான் உங்க வேடிக்கை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க. நீ பேசு.
Come on, 2 minutes
So
first.
I'll just stop the bullying first.
Anyone.
இது முடிச்சு சரிப்பா.
வீடியோ போட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ணு. அப்பதான் full screen.
Video podcast.
வீடியோ போட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ணு.
So I'll stop the bullying because there are girls nowadays. Girls are getting abused, and to be safe fact, the girls are getting abused. I'll just stop first.
That baby is dead. Baby dead.
Sir, could you tell Akka to repeat the answer?
No, not necessary,
We got
not necessary.
disconnected.
Not necessary. Time is
2 minutes exactly.
Right, so, it's possible. They have 2 minutes and we will have, 2 minutes exactly, and we will have 2 more minutes because I gave only 14 minutes for them. So you have 2 minutes and we will have almost about 6 minutes time because you have basically answered all the arrow shots.
Now it's 6 minutes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so how much should I set the timer, sir?
6 minutes.
6 minutes more.
Yes, da.
Set the timer for 6 minutes, no questions asked.
Sure, sir.
So you have the liberty to ask anybody because you had the privilege of answering for 40 minutes. அதனால அவங்களுக்கும் 8 minutes முடிச்சிட்டாங்க, அதனால 6 minutes. Okay, so freestyle asking questions from Team Mitra to Team Balaji. 3, 2, 1, go. Mitra.
So, Dakshina, I would like to, Aladdin, I would like to ask you a question now. So, the object is this share market money now, icon money now. So, you are having 50,000 in your hand now, in this person. Only 15,000, 1,500 now. You are having zero balance in bank deposit now. You are like 1 year ago, you got loan for 2 lakhs now, and the time period